Hi you guys, it's Lex the Fashionista back with another video. I have another try on haul from Forever 21. It's some shoes, like some heels. If you're interested, keep on watching. And we're back. So I just got a package today. Like I said, it's some cute heels that I got, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys. It's just 2 pair. So let's open this Bizox. It's a pink pair and it's a black pair. And I will leave the items in the description so you guys can go check them out if you want to. They both a size 10. I'm gonna try the black pair first. This is the box it came in. It look like they take care of their stuff. Like some companies be having the boxes all bent out of shape and stuff. They actually take pride in their packaging, which is good. I like that. They're like very shiny. Ooh, baby. It's some pressure right here. It's pressure. It look just like the picture. I really like it. It has a little strap that you wrap around your ankle. Like I told you, I like heels like this. I don't like stilettos. I don't like skinny heels. I can't walk in them. But these, give me these all day. I can walk in them. So it's like a platform with the black heel. Let me try it on for you guys once I finish unwrapping it. I'm gonna be sad if they don't fit. Cause these I think are brand new on the site. Nobody really bought them. Nobody has any reviews on them, so I like them. This is my type of shoe. So y'all, these are the shoes. Hopefully y'all can see them. They're really cute. So let's try on the pink pair. I love them so much. They're super comfortable, y'all, too. The size 10 fits perfectly. No complaints. None. Now, if this is not your thing, I understand. But black heels is definitely me. Platform, anything. I can rock it. And I think it's a little harder for me to wear stilettos just because I'm pigeon-toed. I'm not like straight leg, whatever they call it, straight-footed. So it's a little bit harder for me, but platforms can support. They support me really well when walking in them. Support the ankle and my arch and things like that. So I had to say the best for last, y'all. Had to say the best for last. See, they take care of their boxes. Put some TLC on them. These are pink in the size 10. Now tell me these don't look like Barbie shoes. I was a Bratz girl myself growing up. I wasn't a Barbie girl. My mom used to buy me like Brat dolls, and those were like the black ones. I had the black doll. But, you know, Barbie, I still wanted Barbie when I was little. Barbie dolls. I didn't know the difference between colors and races and stuff like that. This is the pink shoe. Beautiful. Y'all know I love this. It's like a shiny. I wonder, do they call this like a pleather kind of shoe, kind of material? Because I have purses that look like this, like that shiny leather. Beautiful. So let's try them on. And y'all, these do take a long time to put on and take off, but so worth it when you got the right outfit on. I love that new shoe smell. That new shoe smell is unmatched. Okay, let me try it on for you guys. These are the shoes, y'all. Y'all see that? I hope y'all can see it. I don't even know if the camera giving it justice, but they're beautiful. I love them, y'all. They comfortable. I'm terrible at walking on carpet with heels on, but I try. Okay, that's it, you guys, for my video. I'll be back in the near future. Follow me on Instagram at LexTheFashionista_ if you haven't already. And like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.